Fix Wi-Fi connection issues in Windows laptop or PC. Here are some solutions for you to try. You don't need to try them all. Just try each one in turn until everything's working again. This PC Ethernet cable connected, but not showing wireless network. First check Windows Update. If show any update files, you need to update all. After update, check again, Wi-Fi showing or not. If not show Wi-Fi, you need to install driver. I have Windows 11 and Windows 10 Wi-Fi driver. This both download link in the video description. You can download it. Click and install driver. After install, restart your PC. Now check Wi-Fi. Okay, now show wireless Wi-Fi connection. Still, if not show Wi-Fi in your PC, you need to buy wireless USB adapters online. Go to any online store and purchase. After got wireless USB adapter, connect your laptop or PC. It will install automatically and work wireless network. If you helpful this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.